What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to finish up the Integra. We're going to button up the front end back up. We have a couple more parts we have to install. This is going to be part 4. So I didn't get to record, but we have the front spindles painted. We have the new extended lower ball joints, the row center adjusters installed on the new spindles. I got my replacement axles with the 94 and up Integra B series axle. We have a new set of brake pads, some ceramic ones made by Power Stop. We got a replacement driver side caliper, and we have our stainless steel brake lines. And we are on the passenger side right now. So after all this is installed, I'm gonna get it on the ground, take it for a test drive. Hopefully it fixes the vibration issues that I was having, which I'm pretty sure it is. And the car is probably gonna drive like a different vehicle. So let's get the video started. And if you guys are liking the content, go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next clip. All right, let's start off with putting the CV axle in. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and freshen up both calipers. I'm gonna be spray painting it with this caliper paint. I went with silver just for a fresh look. Alright you guys, now that the calipers are drying, we're gonna go ahead and replace the factory brake line with the stainless steel one. Don't forget to use your brake line wrench. So here's the new brake lines. I went with Stop Tech. I got these from jhpusa.com. There's the part number. Comes with the lines and it comes with all the hardware you need. Here's the new brake lines. $17 and $10. 17 is to hold the brake line on the bottom. 10 is to tighten the fitting. So you guys, I kind of finished this side already. I didn't know, I was contemplating on where to put the brake lines. So this is how I have it routed. Got a 10mm bolt hole right there. And it mounts right there in the factory location. It goes into the brake caliper. So the only thing left to do on this side is to finish putting all the cotter pins in and bleeding the brakes. The next thing I'm gonna do is go to the driver's side and finish it up. All right, you guys are on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and start putting this together. First thing I'm gonna start with is the axle, then the spindle, then the tie rods, the fork, and then the brake calipers and the brakes. All right, you guys, so I actually had to reroute the brake lines back to factory location because it was hitting the wheel. So, oh well. All right, you guys, I just came back from the test drive. The test drive went amazing. The car handles a lot better now. The new Skunk 2 lower control arms, along with the sway bar links and the extended ball joints, made a huge difference in the front end. The handling is a lot better. It has a quicker response now when you're turning. It does need an alignment. I also went ahead and raised the car up about 1.5 inches in the front. And I swapped the wheels from the hatch back onto the Integra. I do have one more part that's coming for the front end. And then after the front end is done, we're gonna head to the back. I gotta find some parts, order them, get them to the house, and we'll make some more videos for the back. That's probably gonna be on the next episode. And also, I do need some wheels for this car. I don't know what kind of wheels I wanna go with or what kind of setup I wanna go with this car. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what wheels you think would look cool on this DB2. So if you guys are liking the content, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.